Again, dual box break. Obsidian first off the line. 2 boxes, 2 packs. 4 autos or mems per box. Here's who's playing along at home. Gary, John S., Jason double dipping. 3 Dave K's. Robert C., Twas Below. Double Julio. Mike Zim, what up? Mike K. And double Kirk B to close it out. Thanks again, guys, for filling everything out. Here is our Ocho. Again, we'll drop your teams inside of the list twice. And then match your teams up. Julio down to Dave K. Complete. There is your verification code. Julio to Dave K. Julio to Dave K. We then are going 8 times here for tier number 1. Bengals down to the Vikings. Bengals down to the Vikings. Good luck. All right, Jason, let's see if it keeps rolling for you. Yeah, Grammy, NASCAR is rolling, dude. We got this, and then XR, Star Wars, and then I think it's NASCAR. And we have Colts down to the Packers. So Julio with the Colts, TSWB low, Broncos, Robert with the Eagles, Jonathan S. with the Dolphins, Mike Zinn with the Niners, Kirk with the Bucks, Jason with the Patriots and the Steelers, Gary, you have the Ravens, Mike K with the Chargers, Kirk with the Vikes, Dave K with the Bengals, the Chiefs, and the Packers, then Julio also with the Cowboys. Okay? We're going 8 times for tier number 2. Again, we have Bears, Falcons, Texans, Panthers, and Saints are the combo teams. Let's go 8 times. There we are. And we have Lions down to the Rammies. So, Julio, you have the Lions and the Jets. TSWB of the Titans. Robert C., you have the Seahawks. Jonathan S. has the Giants. Mike Zim, you have the Falcons and Texans combo. Kirk, you have the Jaguars, the Browns. Jason, you got the Raiders and the football team. Gary, you have the Bears. That's not so bad.
Bears.
Mike K., you got the Panthers and the Saints. Dave K., you got the Cardinals, the Bills, and the Rammies. What's up, Frank? Where are you trying to get into? Are you here at the shop? You came to say hi? You made the couple-hour drive to say what's up?
Through the snow?
It's a bold strategy, Cotton.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton.
Again, Gary's put the Ravens on the trade block. If anyone else wants to make a deal, speak now. We'll print the sheet off, and we can always write it down if you want to make any trades. 49ers. Who has the 49ers? Mike Zim, are you in the house wanting to trade for, or he's trading, sorry, Niners and Seahawks for Robert C. and Mike Zim? Do you want to make a trade? Nice. That's really cool. DB's awesome. Julio. Chris, you need a new camera.
Yeah. Out of focus.
This one loves to permanently stay out of focus. The last place NFC West champions, is that what you mean? The only team in their division to not make the playoffs?
I see CK can see my jersey right now.
That's right. Well, either the Cardinals are getting in and the 49ers are the only team to not get in, or the Bears are getting in. So,
yeah.
Win-win. Win. All right. Any other trades?
Let's see, chickens.
Yeah, I tried. We looked it up online. Look at it. It's like tweaking out right now. We're just sitting here. Nothing's even moving, and it's going in and out of focus.
Set it at 40.
The settings of what? XSplit? The camera? We went into the main cam. Look at the glitch. It's been driving me nuts all night, dude. I don't know. We tried to look it up where there was autofocus. We didn't see anything. All right, trade's close. I never use autofocus either, but we turned on the computer and here we are. All right, 2. First off the lines.
Let's go.
Good luck.
Good luck, everyone.
Quick, but hopefully packed with some goodies.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what Obsidian Photo has. Blitzmix Wince. We had some good cards. We had at least 3 or 4 cards that tipped the $200 mark. Some closer to the double of that. All right, here's Danny Dimes. Tunnel Vision. Followed by Willie Gay Jr. Purple. The last one was a 16. So is this. 5 out of 16. Willie Gay Jr. Where's our break thing? Here we go.
Yeah, you need that.
Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. Next up, 75 Galaxy Gear.
There he is.
The last place 49ers. Love it. We have to 40, another 49er, back-to-back,
Man, those are supposed
Jerry
to be the next
Rice.
My pick your divisions.
Is that where you had the NFC West?
Yeah.
Jerry Rice.
First off the line. No big deal.
Right. Next to Fitty, Warren Moon. That is a Tennessee Titans. Titans are owned by TSWB Low. Cowboys have a shot at the playoffs. 49ers don't. Warren Moon. And to 40, Chunky Patch Auto, Jonathan Taylor Thomas, star of Home Improvement.
JT. Oh, wait, just JT.
Just JT. That's too chunky for here. Come here, Mr. Taylor. That is the Colts.
Yeah. Yeah, a couple, like 75 yards, 2 touchdowns.
Oh, yeah, he careered against me in the playoffs to knock me out in our league.
Yeah, oh, that it?
Julio. Sucked every other week.
He had Kamara go off last week and didn't get to play anymore.
Yep. Sorry, the Danny Dimes was to 35. I believe that I failed to mention that.
Oh, Cheddar's win. Prison Blaster.
Gary, you said the randomizers hate you.
Nice.
But they have shined upon you.
Gary.
2020 Prism Blaster. Gary. Prism Blaster.
No more complaining tonight, Gary. Your luck is
Gary.
Gary.
Lewis. Stick it somewhere.
Somewhere.
All right. Other photo. Tyson. Huge. I believe that I failed to mention that. There's a lack of recognition for the one in his position. Denzel Mims, rookie, 75. Tyson, my man, dropping it. Jason Witten and the Raiders. That just does not look right.
No.
Does not look right.
As long as he doesn't go back in the Monday night booth, I'm good with whatever.
What did he catch? Like one ball all year?
Something like that.
Kamara. A.J. Dillon. Dude had a little breakout game last week.
Yeah.
They were saying before the season that they were going to go to him before even Aaron Jones, but I was like, I don't know how that's possible with what they're. Jordy Nelson, man, it's like
Double up on the Packers.
raining and pouring and stuff. It's been like weird collation.
Raining man.
He went to the Raiders too, didn't he?
Yep. He's done now, isn't he?
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Let's go.
Joey Burrow. That is to Fitty.
Nice.
34 out of 54. The Bengals. Dave K. Joey freaking B.
Let's go.
I like how I had it in focus and it autofocused it.
Move it closer. Out of focus. There it is. Joey.
34 out of 50. You get the stand, sir. And Gabriel Davis. All kinds of crazy patches.
Yeah.
To 20.
I like that.
1 out of 20 for the Buffalo Bills, who are trying to be part of a trade. Dave K. takes them Bills. A 180. I don't see them. They're in the other room. We'll put it in there. That'll be good. All right, there is dual box.